Hey, hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints here in my YouTube studio. A lot has happened, and for the coming year 2024, I want to wish everybody all the best you can imagine. All blessings, all best wishes, whatever you do, please do it with a with a good, good action. Say it like that. Um, you know, 2023 has been an amazing year. I had some ups and I've got also some downs, especially in the beginning of the year. But just think about it. It's I have done a lot of things, a lot of changes, but also for 2024, there are going to be a lot of new things coming. Projects, how to, tutorials, reviews. Also, it's going to places I'm really planning to go to, to the US back again. Maybe also going to other places like in the UK, Germany, maybe also in the Netherlands. Who knows? But anyways, I want to best everybody all the best of 2024. And keep hydrated. See you next time. Peace. Bye bye.